Hello everyone, welcome to Kick Python. So in this video we are going to write a program to find the sum and the average of a list. So I'm writing here list that is 1 2 3 4 5, and then I'm printing the sum. I'm using a print function, print sum plus str sum. This line will give us the output sum. This line will give us sum of the list, and the next line will give us the average of the list. The average will be equal to the sum of elements of list and divided by the number of elements. So let's run this. This gives you sum will be equal to 15 and the average is 3. So this is how you can make a program to find the sum and the average of a list. So thanks for watching this video. I will meet you in the next video.